Greetings everyone. We're going to be unboxing the MacBook Pro 14-inch M4 Pro in Space Black. The MacBook Pro M4 Pro comes in two colors, silver and space black. And we have the words MacBook Pro and the Apple logo on each end, and they're color matched to the MacBook Pro, which is nice. And there is no shrink wrapping on this package, and it's eco-friendly. And there are two pull strips on the back that we're just going to pull off to open the box to see what's inside. And we're going to open it up. And I really like this color, space black. This is a really nice color. This is Batman's computer, really. And there's a small pull tab on the top that we can pull out the laptop. And it's a pretty good size, a little bit thick, but it's a Pro model, so that's to be expected. And we have the MagSafe charging cable, we have the instructions, and underneath we have the 70-watt power adapter. And we'll take a look at the power adapter. It's pretty compact for a 70-watt, and it has the one USB-C charging port on it. There's also an optional 90-watt power adapter, and Apple rates the battery life up to 14 hours wireless web and 22 hours for video streaming. And here we have the MagSafe 3 charging cable, which is also the same color, space black, and it's a braided type cable, so easier to handle, easier to wind up in a circle like it is now. And the MacBook Pro's weight comes in at 3.5 pounds or 3.6 pounds for the Mac CPU. It runs pretty cool, but it does have two internal fans for when you're really doing a lot of power user work. And the MacBook Pro has the rounded plastic feet that no longer come off like the older models. And the MacBook Pro's aluminum is 100% recycled. Even the magnets that help the lid close are recycled. And for ports on the right side, we have one SD card slot, one HDMI port, one Thunderbolt 5/USB-C 4 port. And on the left side, we have the MagSafe 3 connection. We have two Thunderbolt 5/USB-C 4 ports. We also have the 3.5mm headphone jack, 6 built-in speakers, and 3 built-in microphones. The MacBook Pro has a really nice finish, totally resists fingerprints on this model. It's quite nice. And the MacBook Pro has a notch in the front so you can get your fingers in there to open the display easily. You'd be surprised that the PCs don't have that. So we're going to open the display and let it start up, which is really quick to start up. And we're going to take a good look at the display. And the MacBook Pro supports two external displays up to 6K and two external displays up to 4K and one external display up to 8K. And the MacBook Pro's built-in display is a 14.2-inch liquid Retina XDR display, native resolution 3024 by 1964 with 254 pixels per inch, and you can get standard or nano textured display glass. The nano textured glass reduces glare. And in the front we have the 12 megapixel center stage camera with desk view and captures 1080p video. We have Touch ID, backlit keyboard, and the trackpad layer that is made of glass. Now we're going to take a look at the instructions that come with it, and there are no stickers in here, but that's okay. I'm going to take a look. Pretty big instruction booklet here. Just some stuff about the FCC and Energy Saver. And then we're going to look inside, and it has a nice layout of what all the options are on the outside of the laptop, which is good to know, especially if you're a first-time Mac user, and you'll know where the Touch ID and power button is on it. Now we'll take a closer look at this laptop and see the quality build. Quite a quality build. Love the keyboard. Keyboard feels nice. Love the ports all around. Don't really get fingerprints on here. It has a really strong kind of build, quality build, and not too much to complain about here. And Apple also has a 16-inch version of this, but I know the 14-inch is quite popular because, you know, easy to travel with and everything, and still quite a high-end laptop. Now we're going to take a look at the charging cable that comes with this, MagSafe 3 cable. I really like how it's braided now. It's just easier to handle, and it's color matched as well, and maybe even eco-friendly. And we're going to take the outer packaging off of the power adapter. Again, this is a 70-watt power adapter, and it's really not that big, surprisingly, for a 70-watt. So we're going to connect it into the USB-C slot, and you can use this charger for other devices, even your iPhone. And I'm going to demonstrate what the MagSafe 3 looks like. It's just a magnetic connection, so it just pops in by itself, and then if you hit it with your feet, or you have kids, or you have animals, and it hits it, it's not going to knock the laptop off the table. So I'll leave a link in the description so you can compare this laptop to others, and that's it for the MacBook Pro 14-inch M4 Pro. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.